Roses are red. Oh. Turn off your ringers. For anyone who has signal, only one person in the room. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet. And so are you. I guess that's why we sometimes add sweet words to sex and call it lovemaking. We introduce complications to a friendship and call it a relationship, but the void we feel afterwards has us questioning, do people really make love or do we make love up? More turn pestle like we mix stuff up. People mistake words for emotions and emotions for more, displaying anger and the feelings. We emote them some more. But if you cut out the happiness, then you have less left emotion, less heart, less, or at least is what she says. Deducing our happiness to a status on Facebook. Nothing done face to face, so technology has masked how my face looks. Distorted in the mirror, even viewed through tear-soaked eyes. My lashes are replaced by tissue. My face is covered in makeup, love. But shallow hearts never see what's under the makeup, love. People get tired of being alone, so they rather make up love. So I'm getting tired of being broken by this made-up love. Make love with me, but never again to me. I want my heart beneath translucent skin, so I let you look through me. What? Consider yourself privileged. I can no longer claim my heart to be born again just to act like I never did this. I think about you every day when all I want to do is forget this. I want to file a formal complaint, but I have no idea where to submit this. In my opinion, making love should be called taking love, because who wants to be broken on purpose? I'd rather bury my feelings in the closet even deeper than my skeletons, hang them up next to my insecurities and forget about them. Just like you did all your promises to me. Like, this was forever, that smiles were infinite and pain would come never. Well, forever came sooner than I had hoped. And it turned out never, it was just a joke. So where do you turn when your heart is broke and tears flood your mind like your eyes are faulty levees? Your thoughts are the ninth ward, so watch your memories perish. Place love right next to the life raft so you can stay afloat. Affection should be manufactured, packaged, and sold. How about you give me the receipt so I can return you when this gets old? Don't ever break me and say I'm defective. If you want love, wait for it. Don't make it just so you can regret it. Thank you.